I'll guide you through creating a Bilibili account without ID verification in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. With Bilibili launching its global version, creating an account as an international user no longer requires you to upload passport photos or personal identity documents. The fastest way to sign up is using the Bilibili Global mobile app. Download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open it and tap the Me profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Login or Sign Up and select your preferred social sign-in option, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, or X. Authorize your account, and your Bilibili profile will be created immediately without needing to submit any personal identity documents. If you prefer signing up on your computer or using your phone number, visit studio.bilibili.tv. You can also open the app and choose phone registration. Click the country code drop-down menu to select your international country code, type in your mobile phone number, and tap Send Code. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone via SMS, and create a password to finalize your account. Once your account is set up, you can immediately watch videos, like, leave comments, send Danmaku bullet comments, and even post standard video content right away. We have a dedicated video that simplifies how to upload videos on Bilibili. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.